Ndeto yake ha seneta wa Kiambu Karungu wa Thang'wa ni arikitie gutigwo ni mami wao uria urahurukire muthenya wa ira hwaini na arahurukire ari na ukuru wa miaka 93. Seneta Karungu wa Thang'wa ni umwe wa athiriti a hakuhi muno na uria wari munini wa president Rigathi wa Gachagua na makoretwo makiria rata kwa ihinda inene. Seneta Karungu wa Thang'wa augite ati mami wao no uretagwo Lucia wa Thang'wa ahurukite ni tondu wa murimu wa dementia. Murimu uyu ni uria ukoraga mundu ni araremwo kuririkana maundu na agakorwo akigumirwo ni kuriganirwo maundu maingi, na kindu kiria kimakitie andu kana gikarehe kiha kiingi muno makiria ni ati mami wao ona ndararirikanaga kana ndaroi mundu gwitwo Seneta Karungu wa Thang'wa arare seneta wa Kiambu. Karungu wa Thang'wa ni atariirie ati ye ni kahinganda kwao na maciaritwo mari andu 13 na babao ni arikitie gukua mbere iyo. Koguo uyu ni undu wake hamuno makiria na hari andu aingi amokite thini wa comment section ukorwo makimumiriria no mbere ndaya reke ndimuthomere message ino iria Seneta Karungu wa Thang'wa arakorirwo akiandika. It is well with my soul. Go well, Mom. This afternoon we have lost our dear mother, Lucia Wangui Thang'wa, also known to many as Nina wa Martin. For many years, my mother battled dementia. I am not even sure she ever got to know that I was elected the senator for Kiambu. But every time I saw her, sat with her, or spoke to her, I found strength to keep going. She may not have remembered many things in her final years, but to us, she remained the strong matriarch who, together with our late father, raised 13 children with love, sacrifice, and discipline. Rest well, Mommy. I remain your 13. Ni arare kahinganda ka mami wao. Thini wa comment section hari andu aingi mokite magacakaya nake, no muthiritu wake kana murata wake wa hakuhi Rigathi wa Gachagua onake ni akorirwo agicakaya mami wa Karungu wa Thang'wa, na ndimuthomere ndumiriri yake oro hanini uria arakorirwo akiandika kuri gumwena wake wa Facebook. It is with deep sadness that I have learnt of the passing of Mama Lucia Wangui Thang'wa, the mother of Kiambu Senator Karungu wa Thang'wa. Lucia, a true matriarch who was a shining example of a hardworking and a devoted mother who, together with her late husband Stephen Kimani Thang'wa, a primary school teacher, bore and raised 13 children. Through her nurturing and guidance, she brought into this world many gifted and honest children, among them Karungu wa Thang'wa, a senator, Father Michael Thang'wa, a Catholic priest, Kihara wa Thang'wa, a global humanitarian, Waboi Thang'wa and Wanjiro Thang'wa, who are both nurses, and many distinguished sons and daughters who continue to contribute positively to our society. At the age of 93, Lucia rested this afternoon after developing breathing complications. She was with her son, Senator Karungu wa Thang'wa, and her caregivers in her final moments. Her life was a testament to resilience, love, and sacrifice, and her legacy lives on through her children and the many lives she touched. My heartfelt condolences go to Senator Karungu wa Thang'wa, the entire Thang'wa family, relatives, and friends during this difficult time. May the soul of Mama Lucia rest in eternal peace and perpetual light shine upon her forever. Iyo ni ndumiriri ya murata wa Karungu wa Thang'wa uria ni uria wari president ka munini wa president Rigathi wa Gachagua. Amwe aria mokite guku comment section gukorwo makicakaya nake ginya andu a mwahu uria ugi uria uikaine muno ta mundu gwitwo MP wa Kurugwo Gatundu agwitwo Elijah Njoroge Kururia ni andikite akauga pole sana Senator Karungu wa Thang'wa, may mom rest in eternal peace, condolences to the family and friends. acio nĩ amwe na he ũngĩ mũndũ gwĩtwo Kogi Investor na ũrĩa wanĩrĩire nĩ agakorwo ndebe-inĩ akĩhũranĩra gĩturwa gĩa senator wa Kiambu. Akauga Karungu wa Thang'wa, I was deeply saddened to hear about the passing of your lovely mom. My thoughts are with you and your family during this incredible difficult time. May you find comfort and strength in the memories you shared and in the love that surrounds you. Rest easy, mom. Ucio nĩ Kogi Investor ũrĩa mwendithĩirie maũndũ macio. O hamwe harĩ na andũ angĩ mokĩte, mũndũ ta Karangwa Muraya agakorwo akĩmwĩra pole sana ndugu, Kinyua wa Iratu pole sana, may God comfort your family. Ũguo nĩguo maũndũ makĩhana na tũgakorwo kuma gũkũ gwa Ikeno TV tukendithĩria mami wa Karungwa Thang'wa kĩhurũko gĩtathiraga, na Ngai ahe family ya Thang'wa thayũ thĩinĩ wa ngoro ciao. Gũkũ nĩ gwa Ikeno TV, niĩ harĩtwo njĩtagwo Triple M. Twĩrĩgane thĩinĩ wa video ĩrĩa ĩgũka.